Good day everyone, today it's Friday 11th of July of 2025 and welcome to Weekly Market Recap. This week not only that we reached another all-time high on the SP500, but for the first time in the history the market cap of currently biggest company out there, NVIDIA, crossed milestone of $4 trillion. So at the moment, the current stock price of NVIDIA is almost $165, what means NVIDIA is up 22.8% year to date, and in the last 5 years it made incredible 1473%. Just so that you can imagine how big the 4 trillion market cap actually is, it is 10 times more than the net worth of the world's richest person at the moment, who of course is the CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk. And also it's nearly half of the SP500, what means in case you would combine the market caps of the bottom 216 companies in the SP500, they would have the same size as the NVIDIA has by its own. And also I found this tweet that NVIDIA is now worth more than all of the Germany plus $1 trillion. That's simply insane. So NVIDIA is currently the second most valuable asset next to the gold, where the market cap is at the $22.6 trillion, and the third is Microsoft with the market cap of $3.7 trillion. So what do you think? Will NVIDIA also cross the 5 trillion market cap threshold as a first among all of those? Or it will be somebody completely different? Let me know in the comment section, and now let's move on other things that happened this week. During the weekend, after Musk beef with the Trump and Republicans, Musk informed on his social network X that New American Party has been formed. This sent the price of Tesla stocks a bit lower, as investors see behind this that Musk wants to focus even more on politics instead of focusing mainly and solely on his companies. Here we can see the drop on the Tesla stock price after the weekend, that means after the information was released, and even though the Tesla stock was basically growing all week long, it still closed lower than it did the previous week. During the weekend we also received information that OPEC Plus members agreed to larger than expected oil production hike in August, what put even more pressure on the price of the crude oil, which currently sits at the price level of 68.61, what means it's 3% higher than 5 days ago. On the Monday, the stock market fell sharply following the Trump's announcement of new tariffs of 25 to 40% on imports from Japan, South Korea and other countries effective on August 1st of 2025. And on the Tuesday, once again President Trump was moving with the markets as he announced a 50% tariff on copper imports, thanks what the price of copper jumped by 10% and it's currently at its all-time highs at the price level of 5.58. On the Wednesday, Delta Airlines reported their Q2 earnings, and mainly thanks to positive outlook given by the CEO, the stock jumped by more than 12% in single day. But even with this 12% gain, they are still 6% down year to date. Positive mood from Wednesday continued on Thursday as well. And thanks this, the main indexes like SP500 and even Bitcoin were able to reach new all-time high. So the SP500 reached the level of the 6,280, but as we can see, we finished this week at the almost same price level where we finished the previous one. On the other side, Bitcoin is this week up almost 8%, and as I said already, it reached new all-time high on the Thursday at the price level of about $118,000, what means Bitcoin is year to date up 26%, while the SP500 is up only 6% year to date. When we will take a look on the Nasdaq, it's almost same story as with the SP500. We finished at the almost same price level where we ended the previous week. And on the Nasdaq, we are as well up 6% year to date. When we will take a look on the gold, we are currently on the price level of 3,371, what means we are 1% higher than we were last week, and we are 29% higher than we were at the start of this year. Euro USD is at the 1.16 and 80, what means dollar became stronger this week, but year to date it's still 12% weaker than it was at the start of the year. Okay, so that was basically all from the weekly market recap. We went through all of the main indexes, assets and news, and now we can take a look on what to expect next week. Here we can see that on the macro level there will be a lot of CPIs reported from the Canada, United States and also from the Great Britain, and then on Thursday also the retail sales, unemployment claims and basically that's it. And of course, don't forget that we got earnings season here, and next week we got here already some of the big names like ASML, Netflix, TSMC, and many more. Okay, so that's all from me today. Thanks for watching. In case you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe as well. Have a nice day, enjoy your weekend, and see you all in the next video. Goodbye.